Today's video I introduce BONOSS Lightweight Plus with spaces for Audi SUV. I choose BONOSS Audi SUV with spaces. Lightweight Plus of with spaces means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional with spaces. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption. Improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced over 30%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer. BONOSS manufacturers produce Audi with spaces are made of high-grade forged aluminum alloy 606T6 and aluminum alloy 7075T6, which features many desirable properties: high strength, very resistant, excellent toughness, impact resistant, and high temperature resistance. Compared with the aluminum alloy 6061T6, the aluminum alloy 7075T6 strength and toughness are also greatly enhanced. The wheel bolts of BONOSS forged Audi with spaces are made of forged SCM440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistant, structure stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than stock one. BONOSS forged Lightweight Plus with spaces provide higher performance, more additional functions, plus customer service and friendly service, which is your best choice. If you have any questions about BONOSS Audi SUV with spaces, please leave your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.